Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This Jack Wolf Knives video is going to feature the Midnight Jack. It's going to be available in fat carbon purple haze, natural canvas micarta, black canvas micarta, and green canvas micarta. The Midnight Jack features a Barlow style of knife pattern. It has one sheep's foot blade. The Midnight Jack has a closed length of 3.78 inches, an open length of 6.70 inches, and the blade material is Bohler M390, and the blade has a satin finish with a hollow grind. I have personally inspected each one of these Midnight Jacks. A few things I always look for are blade centering. Make sure there's no blade play, no blade wobble. I make sure that the back spring is always flush in both the closed, half, and open positions of the blade. I make sure that the handle materials or the covers are flush with the bolsters and flush with the liners. Each one of these Midnight Jacks are extremely consistent with the quality. I always want to make sure that when these knives are shipped and when they arrive in your hands, that these knives will have no issues whatsoever. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video and for supporting me. Go over to the website, traditionalpocketknives.com, for more information. Please follow us on social media and enjoy the rest of the video.